In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain in Odoo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill out, and how to complete the registration so your Odoo database has its own professional address. First, make sure you're logged in to your Odoo account in your web browser. Once you're on the main Odoo page, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the user menu. From the menu that appears, choose the option called My Databases. This will take you to a page that lists all the Odoo databases linked to your account. Find the specific database you want to attach a domain name to. On the right side of that databases row, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings for that database. Click on the gear icon to open its configuration options. In the menu that opens, look for the option labeled Domain Names. This is where Odoo lets you manage existing domains and purchase new ones for your database. Click on Domain Names to continue. On the Domain Names page, you'll see a button that says Get a New Domain Name. Click that button to start the process of buying a new domain through Odoo. A field will appear where you can type in the domain name you want to register. Carefully enter the name you're aiming for without spelling mistakes and pick something that matches your brand or project. Next to the text field, there's a search icon. Click the search icon so Odoo can check if that domain is available. After a moment, you'll see the results. If the domain is available, you'll see an option to select it. Click on Select to choose that domain name. You'll then be asked to fill in your details for the domain registration. This typically includes your contact information, such as your address and other required fields for domain ownership. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate and up to date, because these details may be used for domain verification. Once all the information is filled out correctly, click on Register to submit your request. After that, simply follow the on-screen prompts that Odoo provides. These may guide you through payment, confirmation, and finalizing the setup. When everything is completed, your new domain will be linked to your Odoo database, and you'll be ready to use